Welcome back. Well, a beauty across Acadiana today. Nice chilly start, but it warmed up nicely this afternoon. 73 the high. We should be a degree or two warmer for tomorrow. And you can see the records on this date, 84 and 25 just 3 years ago. Boy, we can have some big variations in February for sure. So let's get to it and talk about rainfall. So far for the month, we're a little bit behind schedule and falling farther behind with so far just about 2 inches for the month. And we take a look at the month, and we got most of that rain at the beginning of the month, and somewhere right around the 15th we have dropped below normal for the month. Right now our deficit about 3/4 of an inch, but we might add a little bit in this part of the calendar, especially toward the 28th, 29th. We might have a decent chance of rain there. We do have a front on the way Thursday night, but not much rain with it expected. So here's the latest visibility, and this is what we're concerned about for overnight tonight. The possibility of fog. Patterson dropping down to 1.5 miles now. I just checked Acadiana Regional, and they're at 3.5 miles. So the wind's beginning to die down. We have clear skies, and with temperatures and dew points meeting up right around 53, 54 degrees, we're more than likely going to have fog. And remember, we're getting air coming in from the Gulf of Mexico that's milder. It sinks and the air condenses, and thus I do think we're going to see areas of fog by daybreak. So far, no feel for whether we're going to see a dense fog advisory, but I wouldn't be surprised if you get that popping up on your phone at about 3 o'clock in the morning. We'll see how it goes. More storminess for the west, but the storm track is heading up this way, gets caught in the polar jet stream and moves away, and the polar jet stream moving farther to the north in Canada, so we're not going to see any cold air anytime soon. We're under the influence of this big ridge of high pressure. It's allowing for a nice dry northwesterly flow, and this will expand going into next week, more than likely bringing our temperatures closer to 80 degrees in about a week's time, maybe a little bit less than that. So in the west, it's the big stories, all the wet weather. My goodness, back-to-back years where they're getting pummeled with heavy rainfall at lower elevations and mudslides and all the things that go with flooding, and big snows in the Sierra Nevada, and they picked up another 3 to 4 feet over the last 2 days. Meanwhile, for us, high pressure dominating, allowing for that light southwest wind, and with fair skies, that's why we think we're going to see the fog develop overnight tonight. We'll call it cool. You can see the model kind of painting the fog right here, darker gray. This gray is more stratiform clouds that lock in as you get toward the plateau here, the Edwards Plateau in Texas. Temperatures, I don't think we get into the upper 40s, but lower 50s for sure. And then tomorrow afternoon, low to mid 70s, and it's going to get breezier as well as high pressure shuttles off to the east, and we have low pressure to our north and west, and that's going to bring a front in. Eventually, it's going to induce more cloud cover tomorrow night going into Thursday morning, but enough wind that fog won't be an issue as we head into Thursday morning, and breezy tomorrow afternoon. Downright windy, I think, as we head into Thursday. Out ahead and behind this front. This front's probably not going to generate much precip. We're going 10, maybe 20% on your rain chances. Breezy, a little bit cooler, especially as we head into Friday night, but I still expect temperatures to reach the 70s on Friday. Here's the Euro model on Thursday, indicating there might be a few showers, better rain chances off to our north and east. The weekend right now looking good. High pressure in charge for Saturday. It'll be in the western Gulf, and then moving to the eastern Gulf on Sunday, and then a pretty good warm-up as we head into next week, where we could set some 80-degree readings. And then along about Wednesday, it looks like there's going to be a bigger front storm system and perhaps a severe weather threat for portions of the south and maybe the Tennessee Valley. I think we miss out on that, but there will be the chance of showers and some storms, and then unsettled as we round out the end of next week. So here's the fog forecast. The model aggressive on developing the fog overnight tonight. It'll burn off quickly tomorrow as soon as the winds pick up, especially by mid-morning, but could last for a few hours as we head along and north of I-10. Temperature-wise, low to mid-50s tonight, and we'll favor mid-70s for your high tomorrow. Wind, that's going to be the story. These are wind gusts in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range tomorrow afternoon. We head into Thursday, especially the afternoon hours, winds gusting in the 30 mile per hour range, so keep that in mind and make sure you secure the trash bins, etc. 52 the low tonight, not as cool with areas of fog developing as we head toward daybreak tomorrow. That's the true view part of your forecast there. That fog burns off, and we're back to partly sunny skies. At the very least, a breezy afternoon, a high of a 75 with south to southwest winds at 15 to 25. Low-end rain chances Thursday, breezy again on Friday. The weekend looks spectacular, and pretty much we're in the sweet spot. No AC nor heater needed for the next 5 days. That may change along about Monday, Tuesday, where our temperature temperatures get closer to 80 degrees. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.